Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start a new poem McCavity the Mystery Cat in unit number 3. So from this title you might have understand that this poem is about a cat who is mysterious. So let's begin. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but McCavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. तो बच्चों ये जो पोयम है वो एक कैट के बारे में है जो मिस्टेरियस है एंड दिस पोयम इज रिटन बाय T.S. Eliot. थॉमस स्टियन्स इलियट्स डिस्क्राइब अ मिस्टीरियस कैट इन दिस पोयम. So let's begin with first stanza. McCavity's mystery cat, he is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard and flying squad's despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is no there. So in the very first stanza, T.S. Eliot explains and describes that McCavity is a mystery cat. जो McCavity है वो एक mystery cat है. Mystery means रहस्यमय, right? एक रहस्यमय cat है. He is called the hidden paw, and the other name of McCavity is hidden paw. Hidden paw means, do you know, hidden means छुपा हुआ, and paw means पंजा, means वो कहीं पे भी छुप जाती है अचानक से. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. एंड जो मैकेविटी है वो एक मास्टर क्रिमिनल है जो क्राइम तो करती है एंड कोई भी लॉ तोड़ भी देती है एंड कभी भी किसी के हाथ में नहीं आती है. ही इज़ द बेफलमेंट ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड एंड द फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड्स डिस्पेयर. जो स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड है वो क्या है, तो द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ लंदन पुलिस फोर्स. लंदन पुलिस फोर्स का हेडक्वार्टर है. जब उनके मेंबर्स जब कोई जगह पे क्राइम होता है एंड ये मैकेविटी वो जो क्राइम करती है, तो जब पुलिस फोर्स उसे पकड़ने जाती है तो अचानक से जो ये मैकेविटी है वो कहीं छुप जाती है. एंड फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड मीन्स वॉट, तो फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पुलिस और सोल्जर्स रेडी टू मूव इनटू एक्शन क्विकली. अगर आपने कोई ऐसा शो देखा हो तो आपने देखा होगा कि जब किसी जगह पे क्राइम सीन होता हुआ हो एंड जो फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड की जो ग्रुप है वो ऐसी ग्रुप होती है पुलिस और सोल्जर की जो कोई भी क्विक एक्शन लेने के लिए ऑलवेज रेडी होती है. सो मैकेविटी जो है वो उनको भी फ्रस्ट्रेट कर देती है because she is very mysterious cat. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there, because when the group of flying squad reach to catch the mystery cat, the McCavity, at the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Second stanza, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Again in the second stanza, the poet T.S. Eliot puts stress on the word McCavity. So when any poet put the stress any word, it means we should focus on that word. So जो McCavity है वो यहाँ पे पोएट बोल रहा है कि मैकेविटी देयर इज नो वन लाइक मैकेविटी के जैसे तो कोई नहीं हो सकता है. वाई? बिकॉज ही इज ब्रोकन एवरी ह्यूमन लॉ. He breaks the law of gravity. Even Newton's law of gravity he breaks. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Here the word is given levitation. What is the meaning of levitation? Levitation means floating in the air without support. आपने कभी मूवी में देखा होगा कि किसी को सपोर्ट के बिना हवा में फ्लोट होते हुए देखा होगा, राइट? इट्स कॉल्ड लेविटेशन. तो ये जो मैकेविटी है उसमें ये भी एक ताकत है कि वो विदाउट एनी सपोर्ट लेविटेशन की जैसे उसके पास पावर है. वो फकीर को भी स्टेयर कर देती है. स्टेयर मीन्स घुरा हुआ. फकीर जो है जिनके पास एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पावर होता है, राइट, तो उनको भी ये सोचने पे मजबूर कर देती है मैकेविटी एंड वेन यू रीच द सीन ऑफ क्राइम मैकेविटी इज नॉट देयर. जब भी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि अब मैकेविटी पकड़ी जाएगी, बट वेन दे रीच द सीन ऑफ क्राइम मैकेविटी इज नॉट देयर. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Now, here in this stanza, he has broken every human law. We have just talked about that McCavity has broken every human law, and you may seek him in basement, you may look up in the air. जब मैकेविटी को ढूंढने के लिए आप बेसमेंट में देखोगे, यू मे लुक अप इन द एयर, बट इन दिस पोएम द पोएट से आई टेल यू वंस एंड वंस अगेन मैकेविटी इज नॉट देयर. द पोएट सेज दैट देयर इज नो वन लाइक मैकेविटी. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. For his eyes are sunken in, his brows is deeply lined with thoughts, his head is highly domed. Here, Macavity's appearance is given. In his appearance, he is a devil in disguise of a cat. उसे एक कैट के डिस्गाइज में डेविल बताया गया है. वो कैसी दिख रही है? हियर द अपीयरेंस ऑफ दैट कैट इज टॉल एंड थिन. यू वुड नो हिम इफ यू सो हिम. अगर आपने उसे देखा होगा तो आप जानते होंगे. फॉर हिज आईज आर संकन इन and then his brows is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. and उसका जो head है वो domed shape का, I mean shape like a dom shape का उसका जो head है वो दिख रहा है. his coat is a dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed, his sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So, in this stanza, the poet talks about a monster of wickedness. अगर उसकी जो whiskers है वो कैसी है? Uncombed है. Here, the poet say the whiskers of that Macavity, of that cat, uncombed, and his coat is very dusty from neglect. उसका जो coat था वो भी बहुत dusty था. with movements like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. आप दूर से देखते हो तो आपको लगता होगा कि ये तो सोई हुई है, but he is always wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend and feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. He is a monster of wickedness. In this stanza, the poet says that there is no one like Macavity. He is a devil. Devil means हम बोलते हैं ना राक्षस. He is a devil in disguise of a cat. He is a monster of wickedness. One may meet him in a by street or in the square, but when the crime is discovered, Macavity is not there. आपको ऐसा लगता होगा कि अभी तो मैंने मैकेविटी को यहाँ पे देखा था, बट जब क्रिमिनल्स उसे पकड़ने जाएंगे तो आपको मैकेविटी कहीं पे नहीं मिलेगी. So in the final stanza of the poem states that there has never been a cat of such tactfulness. Macavity is always ready with or two, and when the crimes are discovered, Macavity is not there. T.S. Eliot talks about other wicked cats also, and that's all about this poem. Once again, the name of this poem is Macavity, which we have just discussed that he is a mysterious cat. Okay? Now let's discuss the question answer of this poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. Begin with working with the poem. First number, read the first stanza and think. Number 1, is Macavity a cat really? After reading the first stanza, we have to think that is Macavity a cat really? So we can answer in negative. No, Macavity is not a cat really. Second number, if not, who can McCavity be? If the question means if McCavity is not a cat really, then who can McCavity be? Then we can answer of this question is McCavity is just a fictional character created by the poet whose actions resemble those of a crocus. Question number 2. Complete the following sentence. Here you can see incomplete sentences are given. We have to complete these sentences. Number 1. A master criminal is one who blank. Here we will write can defy the law, and we have completed this sentence. A master criminal is one who can defy the law. Number 2. The Scotland Yard is baffled because blank. Whenever they reach the scene of crime, they cannot find McCavity. जो स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड का जो ग्रुप था, जो पुलिस फोर्स थी, जब भी वो एक्शन लेने जा रही थी और उनको जब लगने वाला था कि अब मैकेविटी मिल जाएगी, एट दैट टाइम दे कैन नॉट फाइंड मैकेविटी बिकॉज मैकेविटी डिसअपियर्ड एट दैट मोमेंट. Number 3. Blank because McCavity moves much faster than them. Here we will complete this sentence as nobody can catch McCavity at the scene of crime because McCavity moves much faster than them. कोई भी मैकेविटी को क्राइम के सीन में कैच नहीं कर पाता था, पकड़ नहीं सकता था, क्योंकि जो मैकेविटी थी वो उनसे भी आगे निकल जाती थी और उनसे भी फास्टर कहीं पे जाके छुप जाती थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अ कैट आई एम श्योर could walk on a cloud without coming through. Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above? So here the answer of this question is in the light of the above comment, McCavity is breaking the law of gravity. जो न्यूटन का लॉ था, लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी, इवन मैकेविटी इज ब्रेकिंग दिस लॉ ऑल्सो. Question number 4. Read stanza 3 and then describe McCavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. In the third stanza, poet describes McCavity's appearance. Let's discuss about its appearance. Answer is McCavity is a ginger cat who is very tall. Ginger means brownish in color. So McCavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin with sunken eyes and brows deeply lined with thought. While its head is highly domed, its coat is dusty and whiskers are uncombed. It sways its head from side to side and it is always wide awake even when one thinks that it is half asleep. अगर किसी को ऐसा लगे दूर से कि मैकेविटी जो है वो सो रही है, बट इट्स आईज एंड इट इज ऑलवेज वाइड अवेक इवन व्हेन वन थिंक्स दैट इट इज अ हाफ asleep. Now question number 5. Say false or true for each of the following statements. Number 1. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. So we all know this statement is true. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. It is a mysterious cat. Number 2. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. Here we have to correct false statement, right? So second sentence is already false. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. जो फकीर easily कर सकते हैं वो McCavity नहीं कर सकती है. This sentence is false. Now by correcting this statement we will write McCavity's power of levitation would make a fakir stare in disbelief. Number 3. McCavity has supernatural powers. So yes, this sentence is true. Number 4. McCavity is well dressed, smart and bright. So this statement is absolutely false. Macavity is not well dressed. We have just described its appearance, that its whiskers are also uncombed and it's dirty. Then Macavity is not well dressed as its coat is dusty out of neglect. Its eyes are sunken and not bright. Number 5. Macavity is a spy, a trickster and a criminal, all rolled in one. यहाँ पे मैकेविटी को मास्टर क्रिमिनल बताया गया है, राइट. सो मैकेविटी एक स्पाई है जिसे हम जासूस बोल सकते हैं. सो मैकेविटी इज अ स्पाई, ट्रिकस्टर एंड क्रिमिनल. उसको तीनों रोल्स दिए गए हुए हैं. सो यस, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. That's all about the exercise of this poem. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.